So the first time I heard about this idea, I thought, it's crazy. I started to think, hang on a minute, that's kind of cool. I'm especially excited by new challenges. We went exploring areas of Dubai that I see as authentic and interesting, hang out with people, see how they live. As usual, I just sort of let the concept present itself to me. Plan is, we're painting an image on the shipping containers. The image is going to be painted out of formation. In the end, we're going to arrange them with cranes to reveal the final artwork.